Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this. Ooh, there's a pull tab here. Ooh. Oh wow. Wow, it's heavy. Wow. iPhone 16 Pro. So this is it. Oh my God. Wow. I got it in the desert titanium. But how do you put this? Oh my God. Wow. It's like a little bit. Oh wow, I like this color. Okay, let me just peel off the front. Wow. Look at this. The camera button. Oh my God, so dusty. Oh, okay, I see the Apple logo. I'm just waiting for it to turn on. So this is a Type-C to Type-C cable. Oh, look at this. Isn't this nice? Oh my God. So let's unbox my case. So this is the Apple Silicone case in the color like green. Oh wow. What is this? Oh wow, it's like, it has like felt inside, so it's very soft. Oh, I like it. It's very soft. It's not that, it's like very hard. It's not like, yeah. Oh shit. So right now I'm filming on the iPhone 16 Pro. I changed my jacket because last minute change. I don't want to dirty up my new green jacket, so I just changed it to this black jacket. Yeah, it's pretty a little bit cold, but it should be fine, I think. So I want to test out the battery life on the 16 Pro. So I'm starting off with 85% battery life, around 9:45 a.m. right now. So we'll see how the battery is throughout the day, and hopefully it will last me the whole day. I mean, I've been using this phone for the past 2 weeks, and so far the battery life is amazing. So we'll see, and test out the camera quality of this thing. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so right now it's 5:14, and the battery is around 75%. So I got this privacy screen protector online. So this is it, and then I also got like the camera lens protector thing, because this is like $1,000 iPhone, so I wanted to protect it. So it came in like 2 sets. So that's there, and then this is the privacy screen protector. So this is the hardness, it's 9H, and Retina displayed. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this. It came in like a tray. Okay. So this is the extra ones. So it has like the dust absorbing thing, and then a microfiber cloth. It's very tiny. So let me take out my phone. Oh God, be very careful not to scratch it. Cleaning wipes. I mean, good thing it comes in like a pack of 3, so even if I mess up one, I have 2 extra ones. And then the dust observing used to clear the dust on the thing, so I'm just gonna... Oh, it looks so much better now. Okay, so this is it. So, let me just close this. It looks so much better now. I've got the privacy screen tucked on, so are you still able to see it? Ooh, I don't know, like, cleaning wipe. So it only came in 2? I thought it came in 3, but anyways. Okay, so that's good. So this is cleared. Oh man. Let me just use the dust sticker guide. What do you mean by sticker guide? Okay. Sapphire. Okay, so I guess this is the way. Oh, it is perfect fit. Yeah, it is perfect fit, man. Nice. So let's just put this in. Ooh, it's very tight. I don't know, it's very... Oh my god, look at the bump. Fuck. It's like... Oh, wow. It's like flush. This is like... There's no space in here. It's like flush. I mean, the good thing is I don't have to worry about it. It makes like the camera looks bigger. But in fact, it's like the same thing. I actually like this. I don't know, it's like... What do you think? Is that a little bit too much?